In an industry where every millimeter of leather counts, traditional methods are no longer enough. For years, manufacturers have been held back by the high cost of physical dyes, the slow pace of manual cutting, and the unavoidable waste of premium materials. But the landscape of leather production is changing. Introducing the Omni Digital Leather Cutting Machine, a powerhouse of precision. At its core is the high-frequency oscillating knife, engineered to slice through everything from soft lambskin to heavy-duty hides. Because there are no physical blades to swap or dies to forge, you can go from a digital design to a finished cut in a matter of seconds, with an edge quality that is consistently flawless. Beyond the cut, Omni masters the details. Our multi-tool head features a rapid-fire punching system, capable of creating intricate decorative patterns and essential ventilation holes with absolute uniformity. Simultaneously, the automatic notching tool adds precise alignment marks. These V and I notches are the secret to a faster sewing room, ensuring that every component fits together perfectly, every single time. The real intelligence lies in the software. Omni's advanced vision system scans each hide, instantly identifying natural defects and scars. It then uses AI-driven auto-nesting to calculate the most efficient layout possible. This doesn't just save time, it maximizes your material yield, reducing waste by up to 15% and significantly boosting your bottom line. Whether you are producing bespoke luxury goods or high-volume industrial components, the Omni Digital Cutter provides the flexibility to scale and the precision to lead. Eliminate the bottleneck, reduce your labor costs, and elevate your craft. Omni, the future of leather fabrication is here.